Alright, so this is the Keyfit Caddy. It's an infant car seat carrier. It's kind of like a stroller. And then you put the car seat in it. So it should look something like that when I'm done. Minus the car seat, because the car seat is yours. You should have it. So here's some of the pictures. See, it just kind of drops in there. So it's like you make the base. And there's the car seat. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to walk through how I do this, give you any tips I have. I'm hoping a good amount of this is put together because I feel like they can just crunch this up and put it in here. Let's hope. So let me go get a scissor or something to cut this, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I took everything out of the box. Basically, looks like this is the base part. There's the cup holder. The wheels are off, and then there's another little piece. Let me move this little piece right there. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I mean, all counting the wheels is one piece. So I'm gonna take some of this stuff. This stuff comes off. I took some pieces of cardboard off. I'm gonna try reading the directions, and I will let you know how it goes step. So step one is inserting the brace there on the left. It was actually already in there. I don't know. I highly doubt this is. I mean, it would look brand new. Everything was on it, so I think it just comes in there. In case you were wondering. So step two is adding the wheels, and I'm gonna add them right now and see how easy it is. Hold on. Alright, so basically the wheels just clip right in. You just slide it over there. The next step, they're saying to bring that over, as you can see on the thing. And then it's saying to, if you look right there, attach this piece into here. I'm guessing it just clips like that. That's pretty much what I got so far, and next thing is push this back, which I did already, and then alright, so they want me to lift it up, so I have it standing up right now. Let's see what else we got going on. Looks like this tray clicks in. Let me read up on it. Alright, so this step right here where it says that, all it is this piece right there. You just move it to the position it's in right now. Now we're on step 6 here. Everything's going good, and it looks like I'm going to be putting something on one of the bars. Let me read this. I'll get right back to you. It should be easy. Consider it just says click. So that is actually right there. It's just these two things. They just snap over. That was actually really easy to do. Next step is putting in this plastic thing on the joints. It looks like it goes right here and there, and it's like a plastic cup holder thing. I am going to snap that in, and then it appears I'm going to open this up, and let's make sure that works. So let me do. So I was wrong. It actually clips right here and not there. So that's just telling you what's going on. I'm just keeping you updated here. So I'm going to open this up, and we'll see what. Alright, so I got it together. All I did was hit this button down, and I was able to open this up. So we're looking pretty good here. Probably gonna have to just slide these wheels on, and I think that bar is for something. I am gonna check it out, and I'm gonna read the next step and let you know. But this is so far pretty straight. So I was just correct. I just put that bar right there across. Required me to hit it a little hard, and I did cut my finger on it. So watch your fingers when doing this. Just got to push down. Didn't really do it, so I just had to give some light fist bumps on it to get it going. so far this has been pretty easy, and I think I'm just going to put the wheels on. I think that's the last step. If you look in the book, we just did that, and the wheels are right here. And then after the wheels, just some miscellaneous, putting the stuff on, making sure it's over. So I guess over that bar, I'm gonna have to cover it with these buttons. And it should snap in like that. So let me do these last two steps and I will be back. So I was correct. So I just put them over the back bar. The wheels, the front wheels were so easy. They just slid on, clicked, and that was it. And this is it. This is the finished product. It looks pretty easy. I'm gonna go put our baby in the car seat, click it into here, and go for our first walk. So overall, should take you 5 minutes to put together. This is one of the easier things you'll put together. Required no tools but a scissor to open it up and cut off some of the plastic stuff. And like I said, 5 minutes, maybe 10, but real easy. Everything clicked together. Don't force it. Nothing on here was that hard to click on except for that crossbar right there. Not compared to some of the other stuff you see me put together, but yep. So this is the Keyfit Caddy for it's like an infant stroller. All right, till our next video, enjoy. Any questions or comments, post them below, and I will get right back to you.